G'day, it's the lawn expert here. I'm going to show you some onion weed and how we can control it. Have a look at some onion grass as opposed to onion weed, and how you can treat it, how you can selectively remove it from the couch, or the Bermuda grass as they call it in America. The type of weed that we're looking at here on the edge of this couch or Bermuda grass, and it's the long stringy type stuff, that's onion grass as opposed to onion weed. Can be treated with Destiny. That's Destiny herbicide made by Bayer, and it targets onion weed and onion grass and a few other weeds in all grasses except for ryegrass and Queensland blue couch, because it'll do damage to those. But anyway, that's a hint for you contractors. If you want to target onion weed or onion grass, this is onion grass, and it can be targeted by Destiny herbicide.